So athletic training is, it's a healthcare field where many times we're found on the field of athletic participation, but we can be found in lots of different places aside from just the fields. And what we do is we work to prevent injury, we work to rehabilitate injury once it happens, and then we try to get people back into participation with whatever that participation is.
When I was young, I always liked playing sports, and the fact that I tore my ACL twice, I decided that this is something that I really want to do. I feel like me being around athletic trainers helping me come back from my injury, I felt like that was a good idea to major in something like that could possibly help someone else. In athletic training, most times we have classes from like 8 to 1, and then after 1 we go with our different sports. We'll either be at the school, the clinic, wherever we're at. We'll be there sometimes from 1 to like 9. It was a lot, but I feel like the fact that we'll be studying something in class and then we can leave class and go get hands-on what we have just studied in class, that was very helpful.
As far as students studying, what we do during the senior year, it's part of one of their clinical instruction courses that they have to meet with me, or they meet with another faculty member for study sessions that are focused on weaknesses that we have identified. What we've seen from that has been an increase in buy-in from the student because they see that the faculty, the preceptors, our graduate assistants, they're putting in that time, and those relationships have developed to a point where the students now feel they are truly a part of something greater, and they're really working toward getting that pass rate that we're required to have. And so last year, our pass rate jumped up to 75%, which is the highest that we've had within this program since its inception.
Dr. Willer, she's great. She's a great professor. She was very, very helpful because we was getting ready for our boards, and I can remember me and my classmates, we had to study on the weekend, and we called her and was like, is there any way possible you can come up to the library Sunday and help us out? And she was like, of course, what time do you want me to be there? And she was there, and she helped us, and she stayed for hours trying to make sure we understood the information.
I'm most proud of the relationships that our students have with one another and that our students have with our faculty, because there's such a trust there. Without that trust, we would not be moving in the direction we are moving. The students understand that when I ask them to do something, or when other faculty members ask them to do something, there's a purpose behind it, and they have bought in because we've worked so hard developing those relationships.